What's up, dude? Hi, this is Nir from NoviSign, and today I have a special surprise for you. I have a new Android TV box, but this is something which you've never seen before. This is a kind of science fiction, something which we found in the internet. Let's unbox it. This one is by a company which is called Mecool, M-E-C-O-O-L. Yes, Mecool, and this model is called KM9. Let's have a look. So it comes with a user manual. Here's the TV box. Let's take it out. Wow, look fancy. Look at that, this circle. Come on, get closer. Yeah, this way. So what else do we have here? We also have power supply. We have HDMI cable, we have a remote control, and this is a very important accessory. Later I'll explain why. So, the thing about this Android TV box is, it's a 4K. It's a 4K screen resolution. This TV box has a CPU which is Amlogic S905X2 A53 Cortex. Also, the thing here is that it has 4 GB RAM. Yes, you heard me right. 4 GB RAM in this Android TV box. I've never seen that before in any other Android TV box. It also comes, listen well, with 32 GB storage. That's a lot, folks. It's a lot. That's pretty much impressive. Now, if we look carefully from the front here, we have two USB ports. This one is 3.0, this one is the old one, 2.0. We also have a place for a TF card. And in the back, you can see you have a place for the power, a place for, this is called AV, so probably audio video. We have a LAN RJ45 port, and of course HDMI port. Now this one is dual band. That means it works on Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz and also 5 gigahertz. Like I said, 4K screen resolution, very impressive. But however, you have to be aware of its limitation because it has a couple of limitations. It cannot play YouTube when we use our digital signage app of NoviSign. Also, another limitation is that you have to use the remote control. When you want to move inside the Android, you must use this remote control. Also, you can replace that with a keyboard, so you can use a mouse and a keyboard, not just a mouse and this remote control. This is an essential thing to navigate here inside, because this TV box actually behaves like Android TV and not just like a TV box. And that brings me to another limitation, is that you cannot download the NoviSign app from the Google Play Store. When you use this TV box, you must use disk on key and put our APK on the disk on key in order to install it on this TV box. But besides that, it's amazing. I really like that. The thing is that you can find that in Google. If you go and search Google, you will find many stores, many online stores that sell this Android TV. I was trying to find who's the manufacturer, which is Mecool, but I think the only website which I found in the internet was MecoolTVbox.com, which I don't think this is the same company because they don't have this very same product in their online store. Also, this one comes with Android 8.1, which is Android Oreo. This is something very new in the Android world. So basically this is something very new, interesting, and very strong for digital signage. I recommend that. If you'd like to hear some more about digital signage software, please click this link and visit our website. Again, this is Nia. Thank you. Signing out.